Hello, my name is Pierre Albert. I am from Sincelejo. I speak experience of Paipa, Boyacá. A trip to our after 200 years of liberty battle. The city of Paipa in the department of Boyacá is cold water. The city is a tourist par excellence in we found very good place to visit such hosts the hot spring, the lake of Sachagota is one of Vargas, and the waterfall of Palermo. It was the waterfall experience where I found very good people that made me feel at home. Recommendation for traveling to city of Paipa. A cost from with a cost for the court. Travel from the coast by plane to Bogota. Bring money to spend. Visit the Cathedral of Paipa is a very religious and beautiful place. Go to Vargas Swamp by bus. Thank you.